Amazon recently changed their PSP, that's the payment service provider. And when you try to put some bank, especially in Africa, your bank account information cannot be accepted. That's the error message you get. So in this video, I'm going to show you the acceptable bank and how to fix them in your country. First of all, Amazon have made some updates and they gave some, but they couldn't have an exclusive list of what platform they accept. So the one they could lay their hands, they listed them there. You can see if you're eligible to use PSP and are currently using any of this list above, then you don't need to make any changes. But still, this is it. From this month, December 2025, Amazon sent a message. If you try to create a KDP account, they will tell you, they are not accepting the bank you put in. I'm going to list the banks very soon. But in case they don't send you a message to change your bank, no need to fret. Amazon is going to pay you continuously. So from here now, you can see we have the likes of Airwallex, Pay, Aspire. I can list all, but you go through the list that are here. But I think the one we're more conversant with or comfortable with is the one that's P. I think that's the Payoneer in this place. So you can see many of us know this platform very well, and another one, we know this platform very well. Yes. So this one said, people said this, it's a good platform, but I want you to know that all these are controlled by people outside Nigeria, or we can't say Africa though, but still the first one that was rejected is this platform, which is the gray. This has been a good platform, but I think they're working on it. So don't just keep it aside. Very soon, complaint can be made to them to update their bank because they use one of the bank. If you check your USD bank, you're going to see the name of the bank that was rejected. So you can check it and know. So any bank that have that bank on the list that this bank offer, the USD, just check the bank name. In case you're creating KDP account and you find out that's the bank they're offering, it might not be accepted. I think number 2 here, it's Cleva. Yes, this bank has been great, but it has been rejected. Yes, it has been rejected and it's not a good one. This bank was rejected, but I know everyone is working to make sure Amazon don't want to partner with that bank. So what this platform will do is to message Amazon and tell them, hey, we've changed our bank, we need a list of bank you've accepted, so that they can work. They can start working with all the list of bank here and will start enjoying the benefit from all this. Another one there is the Gig Bank. This bank has been great. The Gig Bank has been great, but it's painful that Amazon rejected them. But whatever it is, it's very beautiful to have all these banks aside. If you're not using it for Amazon, you can use it for TikTok, you can use it for Facebook if permitted, in case, but I don't know if they accept domiciliary account, which is your local US account, USD account. But whatever it is, just about this bank at hand. Standard one that is being accepted currently is the Grabrfi. Yes, this bank gives different currency, but I think they give two currency that I love. It's the USD, and the second one, it's the Euro account. So you can try the USD account. If it does not work, you switch on to the Euro account. This one works. Then another bank that Amazon has not listed, but I think they're planning to list, is the Grabrfi. This bank works as well. You can use it. Yes, this bank works. Create an account with them, and I think in my YouTube channel I have a lot of video on this. Yes. So over time, you can see we already have a video on this that explains how to create Grabrfi dollar account, and as well we have a video on how to create Grabrfi account. These videos have been helpful according to the comment I received. So that's on the list that I'm mentioning. So I'm going to continue with the list I have here, trying to switch back. So another one there that works is the Reenest, which is called KickPay. Now it's now called Reenest. They've changed their name. This bank works, but the USD works, the dollar works. USD is dollar. Yes. The euro works, and the British pounds, yes, the pound sterlings, it will work. Another one here again is the Uglicash. Yes, this Uglicash works very well. You can get your hands on it, and they're going to give you the euro. You're going to try the euro. If it does not work, you try the dollar. Any of this will work. And the Reenest, this is another bank that works. you have to check their rating and check the customer complaint of all this. I'm not saying, sorry, I'm not affiliating with any of this. I'm just trying to tell you, give you information. So tread carefully so that you don't say, hey, you get. Then another one that worked, it's the WorldFirst. Yes, the WorldFirst work very well. I have not created an account, but from our discussion from our forum here, let me show you our forum. So now, this has been one of our platform. This has been one of the great stuff. We talk a lot in this group, and this group keep on growing. So if you want to be part of it, it's very, very simple. So to be part of this team, all you have to do is come to the YouTube channel, move around the side, but ensure you're a subscriber, because I think that's the only free ticket. Ensure you're a subscriber. Ensure you share the videos around, and you will get access. Then with this link, you chat me on WhatsApp, and definitely I'm going to add you directly to the group. So now we have the one global account for African businesses, which is this, as I've mentioned. And something I want to say is, all these banks that I mentioned here before we continue, like Grabrfi, if they give you USD and it works, please, you can open, if your sister want to open KDP account, or your brother want to open a KDP account and they need payment method, you can give them the euro part of that, your other account, and they can use it. It's not going to be a multiple account. Amazon is not going to flag it, because the euro, it's a different process payment system. The dollar is a different payment system. And your name on Amazon KDP can be totally different from your payment method. Amazon does not pay you with a name. They pay you with your account number. That is what they use to track you. Like the euro and the pounds, they use the IBAN and the BIC code. Then I think for the US, the USD, they use your account details. They ask you for your account numbers. They try to track you pay you through the ACS, right? ACH. I think it's ACH, and they ask for your sort code or your routine number so that they can pay you. So you can use them separately on an account. Your brother and your sister can have those accounts from just one platform. Then another one is the affiliates. I've talked about this. Then this one has been crazy lately, which is called the Payoneer. The Payoneer system has been somehow good, and at the same time cost dependent. Sorry. So what I would say is, if you're going to use the Payoneer, ensure you are rich. Yes, sure you are rich. Then finally, I think some people will say, can I use PayPal? I don't know. If Amazon accept PayPal, you go and create an account. And if there's any link. But I believe as time goes by, Amazon is going to keep on updating their list. This is not a final list. And don't just stop here, please. You can move around and check the Bank of Angzoi, or the Bank of Niwa, the Kope, the Ebury. Don't mind us. That's how we pronounce. We pronounce things by two letter. The capital market, you can check if they accept your country. I'm doing this video from Nigeria, so I'm going to check all this, and I keep going to update that, but I'm not going to update this here on YouTube. I'm going to update that on our platform here. That's why I advise to be part of the Learn Digital community, and then show you a subscriber and an active participant. So having stated that, the next thing I will advise you to do is to take your Amazon KDP business very, very serious. You can send me a DM, and I'm going to coach you on all this. I think we have lots of videos on this place, how to make $1,000. You can move around the videos and just play around. It's something that's great. I've seen a lot of people come around and say, hey, I'm enjoying your videos. Last time, in the past 1 month, how to create and verify Amazon KDP account in Nigeria 2025. You can follow it and create your KDP account. Whether you have phone number, you don't have phone number, this, how to remove your tags, and I keep on showing how to add your debit card, the blocking solution. If your book is getting blocked, negative reviews, how to fix them, how to change email address, how to create this, keep on 10 things you must never do. I think this should be one of the greatest video that you should watch. If there's any video I recommend you to watch, it's 10 things you must never do on Amazon KDP to avoid account termination. Then another thing, that's how I made 4,000 publishing books on Amazon. This is just way back then. The business gets beautiful, and there's some strategy, there's some inner cycle I want you to join. When you chat me up, I'm going to add you to the inner cycle. You can go around this place, keep on looking and see if there's anything of app you can lay your hands on, and you are good to go. So I think that's enough, and that's beautiful. So scroll down my YouTube channel, keep on scrolling, keep on moving around. until you get what is needed. If you want to verify your KDP account, you can watch this video talking about verifying. If you can't verify, you watch this video and you are good to go. Don't forget, my name is Austin. I'll see you in the next video. And finally, in case you have any bank that works for you, don't forget to drop that at the community when you message me on WhatsApp. Bye for now.